though. Word up, you know? I rose dolo state to state. Ha ha. Word up, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those getting it like I get it. That's all. Y'all niggas be safe.
Go ahead, get your notepads out, start your screenshotting, cause here we go. But first subscribe and then get these jewels good looking out. And since nobody else seems to want to diversify and just keep leaving knowledge and money on the table, I'm gonna look y'all out and show everyone how to pretty much detail a bike, any bike. See, this detailing to me is a craft. I take this too serious. I mean, what else I got to do but what I've been doing? You all have seen it. Best believe I talked about it. I was being about it. If you don't believe me, check my old videos, big rigs, boats, planes, oh my, and oh yes indeedy. It's all on YouTube. And once again, here to show y'all I'm still at it, got my hands in everything, as you should. For some reason, too many detailers still running from these bikes. I could bring up a few other scary monsters, but we can keep it on the Harley for the video's sake. And a quick tip: don't go approaching bikes, Harleys, cycles with the same equipment you got for these passenger vehicles. I would say for obvious reasons, but if you working smarter, not harder, have the separate essentials to attack a bike on deck. A small bag should easily be able to carry all these items. And I guess I'm in the mood to give another tip. Try this if you haven't already done it before. But believe it or not, the same all-metal polish applied all throughout can even be applied to the paint. Yes, it will remove scratches, make that paint pop and protect it. Just try it. See, the goal is to become excellent, excel, face challenges, and become comfortable being uncomfortable. If you're not doing that, you're just maintaining space, afraid to step into the harder things, more profitable ventures. Like I said before, too many of y'all too cool with leaving money on the table. It's a crazy market in motorcycle detailing. Come on now, we talking full detail money and it don't take much. Some extensions, downsizing of the same items you would for a car, the obvious. I think we all know the cost overhead for these bikes getting done is little to none. And y'all know I'm right. Y'all better stop playing. Camden was good, we still here.